Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the service. SecondOpinions.com offers a valuable service for individuals seeking expert medical insights. This platform connects patients with a network of specialist physicians who can provide remote reviews of medical records and imaging studies. It's designed for those who are looking for clarification on a diagnosis, exploring alternative treatment options, or simply seeking a second opinion for peace of mind. The website is user-friendly, allowing for easy uploading of medical documents and communication with the chosen specialist. SecondOpinions.com emphasizes the importance of patient empowerment and informed decision-making in healthcare. They aim to bridge the gap between patients and specialized medical expertise, offering a convenient and accessible way to get a second opinion without the need for multiple appointments or travel. The service covers a wide range of medical specialties, ensuring access to the relevant expertise for diverse medical needs. Users can browse the available specialists, view their credentials, and select the physician best suited to their specific situation. Furthermore, SecondOpinions.com strives for transparency in pricing, providing clear information about the cost of the review upfront. This allows patients to understand the financial commitment involved before proceeding. While utilizing online platforms for medical advice, it's crucial to remember that these services supplement, and do not replace, the relationship with your primary care physician. SecondOpinions.com encourages open communication between patients and their existing healthcare providers, suggesting that the second opinion reports can be shared to facilitate a more informed and collaborative approach to treatment. By leveraging technology, SecondOpinions.com empowers individuals to take a more proactive role in managing their health and making well-informed decisions about their medical care. The service is designed to offer convenience, accessibility, and expert insights, ultimately aiming to enhance the patient experience within the complex healthcare landscape. They understand that navigating medical information and treatment options can be overwhelming, and aim to provide a supportive resource for individuals seeking clarity and confidence in their healthcare journey.